A lot of people think in terms of the production of power, but not a lot of people think about how you're actually going to get that power to where it needs to be. I'm Craig and I'm a design engineer. You're working in an industry and getting experience that you'd quite likely not be able to if you were with other companies. It's very rare that you would get to help design a 446 tower line, and I'll be able to go up there and see those towers that I designed. I decided where they were going. We get on really well, the graduates. We all talk together, and some of us are better at some things than others, so you know who to ask if it's something you're maybe not as familiar about. You can go there to one of your fellow graduates and get a wee bit of help. I'm given a lot of free line, to be honest, to do things as I see fit, as long as you're checking in and it is down to your personal judgment. You definitely do get the support you need, because without the support, you're not really going to learn much. It's a good place to work.